Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the little whale locations for day 5 in Heartopia. So during this Call of Whales event, NPC Naughty will give you a quest to collect the photo of little whales that scattered around the Whale Canyon camp. And then so just go meet the NPC Naughty and then accept the quest, and then just start to collect the photo of the little whales. And then if you missed the previous day, you can just find the all guides in my Heartopia playlist. And then for today, for this day 5, just head to this area, this one, and then next just go to this area near the table. This one, you can see it, you can see this little whale, the purple little whale. And then after that, just open your camera and then just take a photo of this little whale like this, and then just like that you will successfully unlock this little whale for day 5. And then don't forget about the furniture bubble. You can just go to this area like this, on this area near the seaweeds, and then after that just pop it, and just like that you will successfully get the purple splash wheel furniture. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials.